Mr. Chairman, August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, I am objecting on the motion. I am objecting on the motion. Chairman, I would like to know the reason why, because I would like to find out if we're going to invite them here, are they resource speakers or they are members of the House of Representatives? Are we going to ask them questions? Are they going to answer it? We'd like to find out.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr.
Mr.
Chairman,
Chairman,
move
may I?
for a few minutes suspension.
Mr. Chairman,
Chairman.
Move to suspend,
Chairman.
Mr.
there's a
Chairman.
pending motion
Session
by
suspended.
Congressman Arrece.
Mr. Chairman, there's
I second.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I would like to ask some some questions to our former Secretary,
Sorry, before proceeding, you have 5 minutes, please.
Secretary Manuel Bunoan. Sa budget process po, Secretary Bunoan, simula po ito sa mga engineering. At ito po ginagawa na yung budget preparation nagsisimula sa engineering district at ginagawa po ito in consultation with stakeholders in the local levels like example local governments and representatives. Tama po ba?
Please respond,
Chair. Before I respond, may I just take all
Yes, please.
Your Honor, members of Chairman of TRI Committee. Occasion of the invitation from the Counts, Public Works and Highways, Government and Public Accounts State. 5. I would just like to manifest, Your Honors, that President Ferdinand R. Marcos has accepted my resignation as Secretary of the Department of Public Works and Highways, effective September 1, 2025. In view of the circumstance, therefore, Mr. Chairman, I can no longer represent WH of your indulgence, I will be speaking on my own.
Thank you for your manifestation, Secretary Bunoan. Just for the information to everyone, yesterday in the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, former Secretary Bunoan was given the privilege to excuse himself from the proceedings. Is it the wisdom of the body to excuse Secretary Bunoan from the proceedings?
Mr. Chair,
Chair,
we can treat Secretary Bunoan as a resource person because all about this.
all right, sige po.
So nagsisimula po ito sa engineering district. Tapos po ito'y pinapadala sa mga regional offices for consolidation.
Correct, Your Honor.
Pagkatapos po ay paradala to sa central office. Particularly sa planning office, Department of Public Works. Consolidate po ito including all the regional offices, central offices. Expenditures program, tama po? Yes. Pagkatapos po ito ipadadala sa at ang DBM po ang magko-consolidate nito. Ito po ay ipapasa sa Office of the President at aprobahan ng gabinete.
Tama po.
Dito po nabubuo yung National Expenditure Program.
Tama po yun.
Pagkatapos po ito po ay ipidadala sa Kongreso, House of Representatives. Tama po?
Tama po yun.
At ito po ay magiging General Appropriations Bill.
Tama
Gap.
po yun.
At magkakaroon po ng mga hearings at magkakaroon po ng mga amendments. Errata. Tama po. No?
Tama po
Kaya,
yun.
based on consultation with representatives, consultation with the Committee on Appropriations. Tama po yun.
Tama po yun.
At pagkatapos po, ito ay aprubahan, second reading. At dito na po magtatapos ang papel ng Department of Public Works at ng DBM. Tama po.
Tama po, Your Honor, sa House of Representatives.
Pagkatapos po, pag na-aproba ng second reading, meron pong small committee appropriations para po pag-aralan yung mga individual amendments ng mga representatives. Tama po ba sa inyong pagkakaalam?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Pagka ito po ay na-aprobahan on second and third reading, ito po ay padadala sa Senado.
Tama po.
Magkakaroon po tayo ng BICAM. At yung BICAM po, pa-finalize paano ba ang mga amendments na pag-aagrihan ng both Representative, House of Representatives and the Senate. Tama po. 2020, 2024 at 2025 budget. Karoon po ng malaking babago mula sa budget ng WH na isabit nyo sa Kongreso. Tama po ba yan?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Kung patatandaan nyo po, gaano po kalaki yung mga pagbabago na ito? So, dito na lang po tayo mag-concentrate. 2025 budget. Magkano po yung pinopose nyo at magkano yung naaprubahan na budget?
Ang natatandaan ko po, Your Honor, the General Expenditure Program ng Gates for 5 was 900 billion. What came out of the General Appropriation Act is 1.08 billion.
Meaning,
Trillion.
gaano po kalaki yung nadagdag?
1.088 trillion. Euro.
Gaano po kalaki ang nadagdag?
The dagdag is 180 billion euro.
At sa nadagdag po na 188 billion, ito po yung mga infrastructure projects. Tama po.
That's correct.
Sa pagkakaalam nyo, saan kumuha ng mga program of works at paano nakapagdagdag ang House of Representatives at ang Senate ito sa mga galing po ba ito sa DPWH, yung mga programa na ito?
Yan ay hindi maliwanag po, Your Honor.
So ito po ay ginawa ng BICAM without their knowledge. So makakaalam lang po ng mga insertion na ito ay particularly yung BICAM, Senate Committee on Finance, and Committee on Appropriations of the House of Representatives. Tama po ba yan?
Well, as far as we know, Your Honor, that will be product of ICOM. Camera.
Thank you. Yun na lang po ang aking at Mr. Chair, I would like to move that in order to clear up things, to clarify matters, should invite the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations in the last Congress, the 19th Congress, and the chairman of the committee, Congressman Saldico and former Senator Crespo. So move, Mr. Speaker.
Second, Mr. Chair, Mr. Chairman. Before Secretary Bonoan leaves, I would like to ask a question. I'm supposed to ask this question.
Wait. Sir, excuse me.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's a motion po.
Motion. I seconded the motion. I thought it was already.
But I don't think Secretary Bonoan will leave as yet.
Thank you. Thank you. I seconded the motion of the Honorable Irise, Your Honor.
Can we restate the motion, please?
Mr. Chair, I move that this committee invite chairman of the Committee on Appropriations, chairman of the last Congress, na 19th Congress para malaman po natin kung paano, ano yung talagang storya, bakit nadagdagan na may 100 bilyon at saan nila kinuha yung mga programa na yon na idinagdag sa pantalang sinasabi po Secretary Bonoan na hindi naman po sila yung nagbigay ng mga programa na ito. Alam niyo po, especially on flood control projects, kung malalaking proyekto ito, dapat po mayroong mga environmental compliance certificate. So, mahalaga na malaman natin saan galing ito. So, ang nakakaalam lang po yun dito, former senator po at si Congressman Saldigo, sapagkat yung mismong pagpoproseso ng mga insertions na ito ay nanggaling sa kanilang mga tanggapan. And I'm sure, yung mga opisina nila, yung staff nila, hindi sila nakakaalam dahil sila yung nagproseso itong mga insertions.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair, I seconded
I would
the
like
motion
to, I would like to
Congressman
second,
Reyes.
yes or not? May I? I would like to second the motion. I would like to explain why. You know, last August 4, I delivered a privileged speech questioning the, I think, mangled beyond recognition 2025 budget. And I was very specific on the automatic appropriations. Almost ang daming ginalaw. So hindi lang yung program appropriation, new general appropriations ang ginalaw pa yung program. In fact, towards my ending statement, I have said that 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress. Sinabi ko yan. You know what? Nung araw sa time namin, pag may nag-mention sa previous budget, yung former chairman, tatayo kagad yan sa plenary. Magsasalita, question of privilege, individual and collective privilege, i-explain kung anong nangyari. Mr. Chairman, August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, I am objecting on the motion. I am objecting on the motion. Chairman, I would like to know the reason why, because I would like to find out if we're going to invite them here, are they resource speakers or they are members of the House of Representatives? Are we going to ask them questions? Are they going to answer it? We'd like to find out.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Mr.
Mr.
Chairman,
move
may I?
for a few minutes suspension.
Mr. Chairman,
Chairman.
Move to suspend, Mr. Chair.
there's a pending motion
Session
by
suspended.
Congressman Reyes.
Mr. Chairman, there's
I second.